Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello guys, I'm Alradishan here and welcome to my new video. Today we're gonna discuss about the 10 amazing shortcuts on Google Chrome. So actually it's very useful. So guys, let's move on to the video.
Hey guys, let's start the video. First you have to open the Google Chrome. So the first shortcut CTRL+T will helps you to open a new tab. So then second shortcut CTRL+W helps you to close the tab. Then CTRL+P, the third shortcut, will helps you to print the current working page. You can say there is no printer, you can save it as PDF. Okay, you don't have a printer yet. I'm a baker. So the fourth shortcut is Ctrl+Tab. Actually, just think that I have opened 3 tabs here, and Ctrl+Tab will shift the tabs like this. This tab, this tab, this tab. Okay. So the next shortcut is spacebar. Just pressing the spacebar. I'll show you. Just search Caltech. Okay, we have the website here. Then space. The page will scrolls down. So the next shortcut will be Shift plus spacebar. Scrolls upwards. Okay. So the next shortcut is Ctrl+F. This is for this find box. Okay, you can search anything. Caltech. Okay. Right only like this. So the next shortcut will be CTRL+G. This is for opening the last searched term. Okay, I just searched Caltech and just closed it. If you press Ctrl and G, we'll have the Caltech here. So the next shortcut will be Ctrl++. This is for sizing the text. Okay. The next shortcut is Ctrl-. This is for decreasing the text size, like this. Plus and minus. Okay guys, so it's a short video. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe.